Welcome to the Maths Academy. We have to solve this interesting exponential problem 32 to the power of 5 minus 34 to the power of 4 without using calculator. So, solution. To solve this, we know that 32 is equal to 2 times 2, 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 8 2 are 16, 16 2 are 32. So this will become equal to 2 to the power of 5. Now we have to replace 2 to the power of 5 in place of 32. This will become 2 to the power of 5 whole to the power of 5 minus 2 to the power of 5 to the whole power of 4. We know that a to the power of m to the whole power of n is equal to a to the power of m times n. So to apply this identity here, this will become 2 5 5 25 minus 2 5 4 are 20. Now we can also write this as 2 to the power of 20 plus 5 minus 2 to the power of 20. We also know that a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So to apply this identity here, this will become 2 to the power of 20 times 2 to the power of 5 minus 2 to the power of 20. Now we have to common 2 to the power of 20. So 2 to the power of 20 bracket 2 to the power of 5 minus 1. Here we also know that, look at here, 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32. So we put here 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32. This will become 2 to the power of 20 bracket 32 minus 1. This will become 2 to the power of 20 times 32 minus 1 is equal to 31. Now to solve this, we can write it as 2 to the power of 10 times 2, 10 2s are 20, times 31. Here we use the identity. Here a to the power of m n is equal to a to the power of m whole n. So this will become 2 to the power of 10 whole 2 times 31. We also know that 2 to the power of 10 is equal to 1024. So we have to write 1024 in place of 2 power of 10. This will become 1024 whole square times 31. We have to split this into 1000 plus 24 whole square times 31. Now to solve this, we have to use the identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. We have to use this identity for 1000 plus 24 whole square. So this will become 1000 square plus 24 square plus 2 times 1000 times 24 times 31. Here 1000 times 1000, this will become 160 plus 24 times 24. To multiply 24 with 24, 24 times 20 plus 4 without calculator. So 0, 24s are 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, plus 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, plus 1 9. This will become 576. So 576 plus 2 multiply 1000, this will become 2000. 2000 multiply 24, this will become 2 multiply 1000, this will become 2000. 2000 multiply 24, this will become 48,000 times 31. Now we have to plus this. 0 plus 6 plus 0, this will become 6. 0 plus 7 plus 0, so it will become 7. And 0 plus 5 plus 0, this will become 5. 8 plus 0, this will become 8. 4 plus 0, this will become 4. And here 0 and 1 times 31. Now we have to multiply this 1,48,576 with 31 without using calculator. We multiply it as 1,48,576 into 30 plus 1 without using calculator. 0 multiply this number is equal to 0. 3 multiply 6 will become 18, carrying 1. 3 multiply 7 is equal to 21 plus 1, 22, multiply carrying 2. 3 5s are 15, 16, 17, carrying 1. 3 8s are 24 plus 1 is equal to 25. 3 4s are 12, 13, 14, carrying 1. 3 zeros are 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 3 zeros are 0 plus 1 plus 1. 3 ones are 3. Plus 1 multiply this number, this will become 1, 0, 4, 8, 5, 7, 6. Now we have to add this number, this will become 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. 7 plus 8, this will become 15, carrying 1. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15, carrying 1. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 9 here. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15, carrying 1 here. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, carrying 1 here. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. And 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. And this is 3. And this is the final answer of the question. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel.